Hello everyone, welcome to Swanee Says. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Temu welding table. Got this off of Temu. Think I got it for around $70 shipped to my house. Came from a local supplier. I really like this. I 100% would recommend.
What I wanted to talk about is this little welding table. It's more like a welding service cart. It's bigger than a small service cart, but they call it a table, but it is what it is. But that top, and that top's at least 1/8 of an inch thick. You can tack stuff to that, no problem. The rest of it's thin like a service cart. But if you wanted to set your machines up down there, I'd put another shelf above it, but to block the sparks or whatever, if you wanted to set it all on one. But I didn't have a place to really work on anything, and I needed to make a small bracket, and instead of getting my old self on the ground all the time, I wanted to do something else. But it comes with a little tray, which is pretty good. It's pretty sturdy, pretty solid, and for the price you get this thing, I think it's worth it. It rolls really good. It has locking casters down there. But got it pretty quick. Got it inside of a week. I think I'm in this for like $70 total, which that's a pretty good price. And I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with that. But this came from Temu, and I don't see anything wrong with it at all, guys. You need something small to make brackets with or do little small welds, no problem at all. I hooked my ground clamp right here, which probably shouldn't have because it was painted. I probably should have put it up there on the unpainted steel, and just buzzed a little bracket out right quick. But yeah, man, this works fine.
If you've watched this point and you found any help in what I do, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the little channel grow. Thank you.